Hello, bonjour, hola, and welcome to Stop by Sarah. In today's video, I am going to unpack my carry-on and review my clothing choices for my winter city escape. Before I go any further, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, as YouTube is the only platform I use to share content. Thank you in advance, and I really appreciate your support. As you can see, my suitcase is a mess right now, as I forgot that I was going to film myself unpacking, so please enjoy this raw footage. I previously filmed a two-part YouTube short where I explained my clothing choices and how I pack for travel while keeping in mind my personal style. In this video, I'm going to go through each piece and go over if it was worth packing or not. Starting with this white knit skirt and black stockings, I would absolutely pack these again, and these were definitely worth taking in my suitcase. They were stylish and warm, and I wore the tights more than once. I paired the skirt and stockings with this white knit turtleneck. It kept me warm, it did not compromise on my style, and if you take a look at my YouTube short, you can see how I styled these together. Next is this blue turtleneck tunic top. I would bring this again. I love the color and it kept me warm. While I really like these two blouses that I chose to bring, I would not pack them again. They did not keep me warm enough and they were just not practical for the weather. Similar idea with this blue jacket. I really like it and I thought I was going to wear it with another outfit. I only ended up wearing it for a YouTube short where I showed new jeans that I got, so I would not bring this again. As for pants, I probably wouldn't bring these faux leather joggers with me again. I liked how they looked, but maybe not best for cold climates. These jeans I wore on my way there, and as you can see, they are quite faded, and I've now replaced them with these new pair of jeans, so I will be getting rid of or donating those jeans. I also picked up another blue pair of jeans as I only had one pair, so it was worth it for me to invest. When it comes to style, I believe in quality over quantity. Next, the leg warmers. I would absolutely bring these again. They kept me warm and I wore them on multiple occasions and they really don't take up a lot of room. This vest on my way to my destination and while I was there, along with this black turtleneck, these I would absolutely pack again. They are versatile and can be worn for different occasions while you are away. Next items that I'm going to show, I did not show in my original video. These dresses I packed for a specific photo shoot that I had done. So they are not necessarily things that I would pack again. I just needed them for a specific purpose. Next, moving on to my workout clothes. I had intentions on going to a couple of yoga classes. It did not end up happening. So these clothing items, while they don't take up a lot of room, I would think twice next time before I pack them. Perhaps next time I would only pack one workout outfit. As for these socks and my fur headband, I did not wear them, so I would not pack them again. I really only needed one headband. My chunky boots and my heels, I did use those. The heels were for the photo shoot, and the chunky heels I wore multiple times. Voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Let me know in the comments below what's one piece you'd take from this suitcase. Hasta luego. Bisous. Bye.